Hello friends, in this video I am going to discuss Triple Talaq Bill 2017. To protect the marriage rights of Muslim women, the Muslim Women Protection of Rights on Marriage Bill 2017 or simply Triple Talaq Bill 2017 introduced in the Parliament. However, before discussing the provisions of this bill, let's understand first what is all about the Muslim Women Protection of Rights on Marriage Bill 2017. It is a bill to protect the rights of married Muslim women and to prohibit divorce by pronouncing talaq by their husbands and to provide for matters connected therewith or incidental thereto. Now, the next question is, what is background of Triple Talaq Bill? In the case of Shaira Bano versus Union of India and other connected matters, on August 22, 2017, the Supreme Court, in a majority judgment of 3:2, set aside the practice of talaq-e-biddat, that is, 3 pronouncements of talaq at one and at the same time, practiced by certain Muslim husbands to divorce their wives. The judgment is intended to liberate Indian Muslim women from the age-old practice of capricious and whimsical method of divorce by some Muslim men, leaving no room for reconciliation. Further, to consolidate the judgment of Supreme Court and make the law, the Triple Talaq Bill is drafted and introduced in the Parliament. Now, the question is, what is meaning of talaq? As defined in Section 2B of this bill, talaq means talaq-e-biddat or any other similar form of talaq having the effect of instantaneous and irrevocable divorce pronounced by a Muslim husband. Now, check out the provisions. Section 3 of this bill states that any pronouncement of talaq by a person upon his wife by words either spoken or written or in electronic form or in any other manner whatsoever shall be void and illegal. Further, Section 5 of this bill states that without prejudice to the generality of the provisions contained in any other law for the time being in force, a married Muslim woman upon whom talaq is pronounced shall be entitled to receive from her husband such amount of subsistence allowance for her and dependent children as may be determined by the magistrate. Further, Section 6 of this bill states that, notwithstanding anything contained in any other law for the time being in force, a married Muslim woman shall be entitled to custody of her minor children in the event of pronouncement of talaq by her husband in such manner as may be determined by the magistrate. Now the question is, what is punishment if someone violates such provisions? As defined in Section 4 of this bill, whoever pronounces talaq referred to in Section 3 upon his wife shall be punished with imprisonment for a term which may extend to 3 years and fine. Further, Section 7 of this bill states that, notwithstanding anything contained in the Code of Criminal Procedure 1973, an offence punishable under this Act shall be cognizable and non-bailable within the meaning of the said code. Now, let's check out the timeline. At present, that is on January 9, 2018, the bill is under review of Select Committee. On January 3, 2018, the Talaq Bill is introduced in Rajya Sabha. On December 28, 2017, the bill is passed in Lok Sabha. On December 15, 2017, the government approved a draft law under which the practice of giving instant triple talaq would be made illegal and a punishable offense. On August 22, 2017, the Supreme Court held triple talaq being practiced by the Muslim community as unconstitutional, arbitrary, and not part of Islam. Likewise, this is all about Triple Talaq Bill 2017.